Okay, so it says use the quadratic formula to solve this here. Okay, give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. You might be thinking, what on earth is this? Okay, how on earth does this connect to my formula here? Okay, where am I going to get my A, B, and C from? Well, this question's worth a few more marks, so you've got to do a bit of work first on this, right? You've got to do a bit of algebra. So you need to expand these, okay? That's the only way you can do it, can't you? Because the brackets are different here. There's no way in terms of thinking before where you had brackets the same, so you could factorize or anything like that. It's not going to work. So, you know, bracket squared, so we're going to need to multiply that. We can multiply this as well. Okay, so x times 2x is 2x squared. X times 3 is 3x. Okay, so you times by the x there, and then plus then the 7. So do FOIL on this. First is 9x squared. Outers is minus 3x, inners is minus 3x, and lasts minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1, isn't it? Minus times a minus is a plus. Okay, so you can see where this maybe is leading now. Okay, you get everything now onto one side, okay, onto the left side preferably. So this becomes 9x squared, take away 2x squared, let's group the x squared. This is minus 6x, isn't it? Minus 6x this is, and then take that 3x over, don't forget that 3x, that becomes minus 3x, plus 1, and take that 7 over, becomes minus 7 equals 0. So you end up having, well, this is 7x squared, that's minus 9x, and then that's minus 6 equals 0. Okay, so a bit of work, right, a bit of algebra, manipulation of this, not difficult, but you can see once you've expanded all that stuff, you get them back to what we sort of used to, okay, in terms of this formula up here, okay. So in this case now, my A is equal to 7, B is equal to minus 9, C is equal to minus 6, okay, and you're going to use this then to help you substitute in. So x will equal minus, of course, minus B, and B happens to be minus 9, so you put that in a bracket, plus or minus then the square root b squared, so b is minus 9, don't forget, so put that in a bracket, squared, take away 4 times a times c and put that in a bracket because it's minus, okay, all divided then by 2a, which is 2 times 7, okay, 2a, 2 times 7. So then you get x equals, now minus and the minus become a plus, and then in here, then you work all this out. So, minus 9 all squared, take away 4, okay, times 7 times minus 6, and that becomes 249 underneath that square root. All over then 14, okay, so you've got then x will equal 9 plus square root 249 over 14, or x will equal 9 minus square root 249 over 14. Okay, so you can get your two answers out. Type it again. So we get 1.77, they wanted 2 decimal places. And then we go back, change that to a minus. We get minus 0.48 there. Okay.